So this is my goddaughter, Maddie Grace. Say hi.
Hi.
And she is so pretty, as you can see. She's very sweet. And she's ready for Christmas. We're getting ready for our cookies. And this is going to be Maddie's vlog.
Today we're going to be making sugar cookies. Now with sugar cookies, you have to put it on some aluminum foil and like just squeeze like half.
Okay.
And it doesn't matter how big your cookies are.
Okay. Now, did we bring any cookie cutters this time, or do we just pretend that it's a snowman?
Just pretend that's a snowman.
Okay. You want to introduce your mom?
Mom, come here. Introduce yourself to the vlog.
I have to introduce myself. Hi vlog, I'm Shania, Maddie's mom. So what are we doing?
We're making cookies.
Okay, baking cookies.
These sugar
Let me wash my
cookies.
hands.
So this is my friend Shania.
How many years?
How many years? It's-
Preschool.
Yeah, so we have been knowing each other since pre-K
Yes.
at Middle Georgia Christian Academy.
So 27 years.
Almost.
Almost. 23.
Yeah.
Okay, we fit all the cookies. I'll like show you.
Ooh.
They have fingerprints in them, but they're gonna be pretty. The oven's really hot. Make sure you have parent supervision.
What you need? What kind of supervision?
Parent.
Y'all heard that. Make sure y'all have y'all parents with y'all. Cause what?
Because y'all can get burnt, and then your parents won't be there to be like, "You got burned? You need ice."
Y'all heard that. She's smart. She needs her mommy's permission to mess with the oven. That's right, boo.
Okay, so we got you a Christmas card.
Thank you
Well,
so much.
We just better open it. Let's see.
Okay, so they brought me a nice little present. What else is this? It says, enjoy the journey, 2020 12-month calendar. Thank you. Then it has all the different pages. I always need a calendar. Thank you. It says, because you are the bomb. Operation Slay Cancer. Alright. And that is Shania's non-profit cancer organization society. And you all can follow her at
Operation Stay Cancer.
okay.
What's that? On Instagram and on Facebook.
Okay. Ooh. Hydrogel eye patch for when I have those sleepless nights and wake up looking like a raccoon. Alright, y'all, so we went to Dollar Tree and found acrylic paint for $1, and we got red, black, white, green. And then the plastic ornaments also came from Dollar Tree. And what we're doing is just choosing the colors we want, opening the top of the ornament and dripping it inside to see what colors or designs it will make once we swivel it around.
So what are you most excited about for Christmas?
Cookies.
Cookies? Yeah.
I'm gonna just do it all.
Oh, it's cute.
So, Christmas surprise. You gonna give Santa diabetes.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. Sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. Sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. Come on, sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. Sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. Sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling.
Are you nervous?
So thank you guys so much for decorating cookies with us. We had so much fun, right, ladies?
Thank you so much for inviting us. We
You're
had
welcome.
so much fun. Didn't we?
You're welcome. You're
Yes.
welcome. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you all are enjoying Vlogmas. 12 Days of Christmas is in full effect. We have much more in store for y'all. So stay tuned. And we will see you on the next vlog.
Bye.
Bye. Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.